What's going on, everybody? This is the first video in the new series here, Breaking Bogey. Basically just me playing my game, but we're gonna get the guys involved and see their games as well. I figure we play a lot of golf. We might as well film it, upload it, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching us play some golf. But disclaimer, we're all pretty bad. This is gonna be my golf journey to see how good we can get, how low we can go. I'm about a 20-25 handicap right now, and I don't hit the ball very far at all. We're gonna document it all here on YouTube, have some fun with it, and let's see what happens. Got the cameraman on today, Johnny. Front side's par 36. I'll keep you guys updated. And by the way, the driver is useless. That's not gonna be coming out of the bag at all, at least until we work on it a little bit. So that's why you're gonna be seeing a lot of the 3-wood here out on the course. Also, I can barely see in this sun. We're in a stage right now, really big working on the game, and I definitely wanna play more. So I'm hoping these videos make me play a lot more, but also make me wanna improve my game too, as well as bringing some good content. No warm up, nothing. Range should be a necessity, but here's the tee shots. So to lose some weight and keep it a little more true to the game, I want to walk these challenges, but for the first one, having Duke film all of it, I think we're gonna ride today. So that's why we're riding. This is bad. This is real bad. Fairway. You did find the fairway though. Decent. It's not good birdie action, but it could be the only birdie action of the day. It's breaking bogey. Here's a par. First par of the day. We should have to drop the drawers here, shouldn't we? Mine's up there. Right. Knox, 4. Sorry, buddy. A little bit of pinage in the way. The shot's gonna look a little different. We're not looking that good. Another pine tree. Love these. That's so bad. Doesn't look like a bogey breaker here, boys. The members bounce, as Ferry would say. Long action, long action. Shut up. We'll take those. Duke gasses it. Now you're chipping it. You. There's John. Close to your ball, brother. Front edge. So Drop the bags down on 8. Pull the cart in. Walking back out. Film's gonna get a little more tricky, but at least we're gonna finish the round. This is a little late 9-holer. I do love this course though. It's in great shape. Greens are rolling nice today too. It's all right, I'll hike it. Boys are somewhere out that direction. Another pour. Breaking bogey, baby. This thing is bad. Taking us back to high school days right here. Closing her out. We're working at Walmart earlier. We're closing this out pretty strong. Beauty. That could be going.
Maybe, all right.
It's gonna be quick. We're gonna get it up and land it like right here and let it just trickle. I think that's the shot. Keep rolling. Good par, buddy. All right, my 6th to finish 9 over. Pulled it. Well, there is plus 10. So we did not break bogey here this first round, but we're gonna be back out trying to play 3-4 days a week, filming, uploading all of them. Gonna be super busy, but I'm really excited to drop this new series. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. It means a lot. Boost the video, get some more views, and just get people involved with some relatable golf. They're always seeing like bigger channels who play really good golf, but they never see the real guys out here shooting 46s here on the front 9. Wasn't great today. Scraped it together for a 46 here, 10 over at Country Meadows. Leave a comment if you want to see more stuff like this, and as always, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Hit that bell just so you never miss one of our Breaking Bogey episodes out here, Country Meadows, Whispering Pines, wherever we might play. Pleasure having you guys coming along with us today, and hopefully we get the guys' shots in the next one. There'll be some bonus clips, but you guys have a good one. I'm out.